Today, I'm going to show you how to open the options page of the Safari extension on the Apple Vision Pro, and we're doing it with the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. Let's go! When watching a YouTube video in Safari, you can dim the web page by clicking the puzzle piece icon in the Safari address bar, then tapping the blue lamp button. This dims the entire screen and places the video player above a dark overlay. If you'd like to change the color of the dimmed layer or adjust its opacity, you can do so in the Turn Off the Lights options page. To access it, open the Settings app on your device. Navigate to Apps and select Safari. Scroll down until you see Extensions and tap on it. Find and tap on Turn Off the Lights. Tap the Settings button. This will open the Turn Off the Lights options page in Safari. Now, let's change the dimmer color to something like dark blue. The settings are saved automatically. When you return to your YouTube video and tap the blue lamp button again, the page will be dimmed using the new blue overlay. And that is it. You just opened the options page of Turn Off the Lights on your Apple Vision Pro like a total pro. If this helped you, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time with another great tip. Bye!